Hello, beauties. Welcome again to Wendy's Styles. A happy Sunday, a happy weekend to you, wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. God bless you guys, every one of you watching right now. God bless you guys for really tuning in. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe with the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Today I have this flattering short haircuts for beautiful black women. And when I mean these hairstyles are flattering, in fact they are breathtaking. And it's a kind of hairstyle you really need to rock for the week. We are in a new week and you really want to look gorgeous, you really want to look good for those going out for work, for the beautiful matured women that want to look gorgeous, that want to look so cute. This haircut is for you. You can also rock this hairstyle if you really have the salt and pepper. You can also rock this beautiful hairstyle. Imagine when you are having this kind of hairstyle on your salt and peppered hair. Imagine just having that white, having that little black hair with this kind of beautiful curly hair. Can someone just tell me how you will look like or how you will feel having this cut on your hair? You're gonna look gorgeous, and this kind of hairstyle definitely will send eyes. Like having this natural hair on your natural beauty and coming out with that confidence, like, yeah, I am a beautiful matured woman. And this kind of hairstyle too, even if you have the gray, maybe all your hair is gray, all gray, then imagine you having this tabard. And one thing I always talk about is it's always good to always make sure the sides are shorter and the top longer. Sometimes you add the coils on it to really make it look so, fabulous. Take a good look on this hairstyle when you are having your gray hair. Man, this is cute. This is gorgeous. You can see the parts, the pattern by the side. One is longer than the other one. You can, even for those that don't love this pattern, you can just have it play. But sometimes pattern can really turn the game around, and make you look so gorgeous. This haircut is so good, it's so beautiful, it's impeccable, it's that kind of hairstyle that will take many years off your age. It's that kind of hairstyle that will make you look beautiful all day. It's that kind of hairstyle you don't need to stress yourself in front of the mirror. It's that wash and go style, versatile haircut that will really make you look good. So if you really want that good hairstyle, please watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching this video, okay? I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you. I say God bless you. Receive all the blessings because you guys are good. You guys are just all the best in the world, because we're just like family now. I appreciate all your comments. I appreciate your time. God bless you guys. Stay left to wear the stars because we're here to bring more great styles for you. God bless you guys and see you guys in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you. not in horses and chariots, by the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never